Cet exercice, c'est avec Menti. Je prends des cours à Concordia à Montréal, donc c'est toujours Menti. I was thinking like, oh, I'm going to be free of Menti, and je rentre ici un Menti. So this is the World Café. Okay, this is Menti World Café. Mentimeter is an online interactive presentation and polling platform that allows us to engage with the audience in real time. It's commonly used for creating interactive presentations, quizzes, surveys like I do, and polls to make events more engaging and participatory, okay? So we will be using some key features such as live polling, okay? Donc on va, s'il vous plaît, avec votre téléphone, you put your camera, and then you'll be able, quand tu le vois sur ton caméra, tu as juste à peser, press it, and then you'll see the QR code. Yes, and also, if you don't have, if you're an Android, I'm kidding. If you're an Android user, tu peux rentrer menti.com, and then you'll see the code at the bottom, say 51055774. So live polling enables presenters to create live polls and surveys, and the audience can respond to using their smartphones, like these ones here, tablets or computers. I think computer will be a little bit too bulky, but if you're using a computer right now, you can do it. The results are displayed in real time, making it a great tool for gauging, wrong word, audience opinions and knowledge. So this will be great for all of us, okay? So interactive slides. And so the goal is to reflect on 6 principles, the 6 principles of pillars, we call it, or pillars, for the foundation of a strong economy in Eeyou Istchee, okay? So the Mentimeter questions. So the icebreaker. How is it the first one? Melissa. Okay. The first one, Melissa. Yes. Okay. Emmanuel. Okay. Melissa. Oh. I like Emmanuel better. Okay. 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 So la première question c'est how do you feeling today? Pas mal français, hein? How are you feeling? Qu'est-ce que tu te sens? Is that how you say it? Comment ça va? Comment ça va today? Tu te sens-tu tired, un petit peu relaxant? I don't know, cool? Please, entrez vos OK. Okay. Oh, it's right here. How come I've never seen that? Okay. My own television. Hey, do you have Days of Our Lives there? And so, if you are... il y a du monde qui ont... Les 37 sont vraiment contents. Wow. Woo! And je pense qu'on a 7... 3, c'est vraiment... Wow! And 4, il veut vraiment s'en aller à la maison. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Donc, la plupart, c'est le 39. Hein? Puis les 4, vous pouvez aller à la maison, si vous voulez. Okay. All right. So the next question, notre question, c'est which group do you belong to? The Cree Nation, other nations, non-indigenous. All right, so we have beaucoup d'allochtones qui sont ici, nations Cree qui ont 25 et 8 nations, autres nations. Wow, can I have the 8? The 8 identify themselves? I'm kidding, no, that's all right. All right, so we have 3 groups here, Cree Nation, other nations, and non-indigenous. Ah, c'est bien, le menti, hein? Okay, so to which age group do you belong to? We'll see. Please be. Il n'y a pas du monde qui va savoir votre âge, OK? C'est juste vous autres, là. Ça me dérange pas si t'as de l'air 40, mais you act like a 20. Ça me dérange pas. All right. La plupart, c'est des 50 ans. Wow, OK. All right, we have a lot of elders. Can we bring out the canes, please? I'm kidding. Okay, from which region do you come from? Dans quelle région est-ce que vous êtes basé? Yeah. Oh, look at that. Estrie, Chesapeake, Wendake, Abitibi, Nemaska. What next do we have? Val d'Or, Eeyou Istchee, il y a du monde, hein? Gaspésie, wow, OK. Montréal, Kiriganzibi, OJ, Outaouais. Wow, beaucoup de personnes ici. All right. Kanesatake, my goodness. Saint-Jérôme. Okay, you forgot your okay, you oublié son téléphone. Okay, so he's going to scream his answers, eh? How would you rate your knowledge of the James Bay and Northern Quebec Agreement? Ooh. What? 100%. Je pense que the only guy is the number one here is going to be Ted. Okay, completely green, ça veut dire vous savez rien. And then I have some solid background, and then I have basic knowledge. So basic knowledge is possibly where a lot of us may be, and 19% they just don't really know. So if you have a fonction, vous pouvez inviter Dr. Ted Moses à vos fonctions et vous donner the whole story, the 101 all the way down to A to Z. So, all right. Okay, next question. How would you rate your knowledge for the Pays des Braves? Est-ce que vous savez toute l'histoire, toutes les politiques for Pays des Braves? All right. So there's a lot of basic knowledge. Pour le Pays des Braves, that's good, 50 people, okay. I'm an expert, my gosh, okay, il y a deux experts ici. Can we know who it is? Ted and l'autre personne? Okay, they're afraid, they're shy. Must be Elsa, hey? So great, we have some basic knowledge and completely green, yet enough. There's room to grow and, learn, right? All right, l'autre question. How would you rate your knowledge of the constitution of the Cree Nation of Eeyou Istchee? How do you know the knowledge, the constitution of Eeyou Istchee? All right. I'm completely green. And this is in 2017. So it's pretty understandable. Most of the new ones, it'll take time to chew. So we have more people that are green on that. So we'll do our homework and we'll just bring that information to you, or in the next events that we will hold. We'll have more. We'll dive into that more. Okay. We'll school you to the end. All right. The next one. Which one of these Cree Nation economic pillars is the most important to you? Yes. Land management, environment and natural resources, human capital, training and education. We have a physical capital, self-governance, and the last but not least is entrepreneurship. Oh, but the physical attraction, eh? This is, okay. The most part is human capital and human capital, training and education. So that seems to be the leader, and the second one would be the land management, environment and natural resources. And then followed by entrepreneurship. Last but not least is physical capital, self-governance. Thank you for this. So it brings, a perspective to what we're going to, talk about in the next couple of weeks. All right. Okay, which economic pillars should we prioritize to enhance the quality of life of the Cree Nation? Okay. Oh, same pillars? Okay, land and management, environment of natural resources, human capital, physical capital, self-governance, and entrepreneurship. So if we look at it here, we have a skyrocketing Elon Musk style, human capital, which is training and education. Yes, hence why I'm in school. And then the second one would be entrepreneurship, and then followed by management, land management, environment, and natural resources. The rest, and the fourth one would be the physical capital, okay, self-governance. Next question. Which economic pillar should we prioritize to protect environmental assets of Eeyou Istchee? And so the four pillars again. So this one, we see that land management, environment, and natural resources are up there, if you can see it on your screen. And there were 3 likes as well, too. Thank you for the likes. Next question. Which economic pillars should we prioritize to honor, protect, and preserve Cree culture and identity? Oh, my. All right, okay. There's a lot of likes on this one as well. Again, it's, oh, no. Okay, so we have on this one here, it is land management, environment, and natural resources, followed by human capital, and then finally followed by physical capital. Wow, okay, thank you for this. Last but not least, is it? No, a couple more. Which economic pillars should we prioritize to empower youth as future leaders? Human capital is the winner for this one, and followed by entrepreneurship. Thank you for this. The next one. Which economic pillars should we prioritize to promote education and training? Again, the pillars. So this one would be, the winner is the human capital, self-governance, and followed by the entrepreneurship. Last but not least, which economic pillar should we prioritize to ensure the sustainability of our progress? Gosh, I feel like eating candies now. All right, this winner would be the human capital, training and education, followed by, hey, there's a tie, Okay. Land management and entrepreneurship. Okay, great. So thank you for your participation. Look at this one, last but not least. Will you find love at this conference? If you're married and if you're struggling, if it's on the bed, you can't, don't participate, please. Oh my goodness, look at that. Yeah, of course. Ooh, yes, love, LOL. Lots of love, eh? Lots of love. Ben là. Nope.
My wife is watching.
My wife is watching. Oh. That's scary. At supper, ooh. Cree lumber. Oh, okay. We have a lumber lover. My heart is taken. Ah, that's wonderful. Okay. Okay, not here looking for love. Boo! It's okay, this is a joke, okay? All right. Unlikely, it's okay. So if you found love, great for you. If you haven't, keep looking, okay?